This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by building a personal automation that runs when your iPhone connects to power. Open Shortcuts and pick Automation, then create Personal Automation and select Charger, set it to Is Connected. Once done, tap Add Action and search for Speak Text. Type the exact phrase you want your phone to say when charging. You're starting the only native method that reliably speaks on plugin without extra hardware, so enter concise, clear text for predictable results. Now configure the Speak Text action. Tap the action to pick voice, language, and speaking rate so the message sounds natural. If you want a short pause before speech, add a wait action or include play sound for emphasis. Make sure to disable Ask before running so the automation runs automatically. Confirm by tapping Don't Ask. Once configured, the shortcut will trigger whenever the charger connects, meaning your iPhone will speak immediately without manual approval. Complete the setup by testing. Plug in your charger and listen. Make sure ringer or media volume is up because Speak Text uses device audio output. If nothing speaks, first confirm Ask before running is off and Shortcuts has permission to run automations. If still failing, reboot the iPhone and try again, or delete and recreate the automation. Sometimes a rebuild fixes permission glitches. This procedure is the only consistent built-in way.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.